like you anyway. Yeah, I like you.
Welcome back to Gimme Chocolate, and we have with us actor and chef par excellence Kubbra Sait and Ranveer Brar, who are playing Garba
Yes.
and are into martial arts. Ranveer and Kubbra, I have created something very beautiful for you. So what it's called is Gimme Chocolate Galaxy.
Okay.
And let's first... Ranveer, before you start giving her all crazy ideas, can we take a look at the real recipe, please?
Yeah, okay.
Let's take a look. To make Gimme Chocolate Galaxy, we need ingredients for chocolate spheres, chopped dark chocolate chunks, edible gold metallic color. Ingredients for fillings, cream cheese with thandai, flavored condensed milk, banana ganache, ginger ganache, sea salt and chili, rum ganache, ras malai, gulkand, rabdi. Ingredients for plating, edible white chocolate plate, icing sugar, caramel sauce, edible blue gel. Let's start by melting the chocolate. I have 2 silicone molds. I'm going to apply edible glitter. Now I'm going to apply the chocolate. Stick the spheres together with a bit of melted chocolate.
Are you ready for the face-off?
I am.
Okay. I can't wait to see it like all melty. It's looking damn nice, huh?
It is. Magic हो रहा है ना नीचे.
Kubbra's done a brilliant job.
Yeah, she's
How
done.
many children do you have, Z?
I have 2 and now you're 3.
Correct, exactly. That's how she's treating me. She's like, wow, how nice, my child. It's so special.
Ah, look at Ranveer, he's gone ahead.
He's just like this over-enthusiastic first bencher.
Kubbra is
It's done.
ready. Yes, look at it.
Looks nice.
Kubbra, there are silicone molds. Yeah, you found them.
Yeah. Only 9 we have to make, na?
Yeah, actually, you know what, Kubbra? Let
Huh?
me give you a secret.
Huh?
Make more, sometimes they break. So make like 11 spheres.
I am very fierce. Forget the spheres.
Just shock it in the fridge.
Come on. Ranveer, I think your molds are ready.
All right, gee.
Nice. He's singing away as if he just has had the best time of his life.
It's my breaking, la.
Have patience, la. Listen, I have a lot of spares, okay?
Just shut up and stop showing off.
No, I'm just saying.
Let's divide the flavors and create your own galaxies.
Okay, so I am choosing thandai, banana and...
Chocolate.
This is ginger
Chili.
ganache.
One
Chili
is a
ganache.
chili.
Oh, which is chili ganache?
No, you can't choose anymore. Hello?
I am very interested
Okay.
in this ras malai thing.
And the
gulkand.
gulkand. Gulkand's my favorite. Yeah. Please, I want the gulkand.
No,
Please.
I'm having gulkand. And I'm having that chili thing.
But there's also rum ganache.
No, I want the chili and the gulkand.
There's also the banana and milk chocolate.
Chili and the gulkhand.
Let's take it.
I'm going to put gulkand now. Please, please.
Just crying, man, yeah.
All the Lucknow walas are going to get upset if
want
Ranveer
one
doesn't put gulkand in his chocolate. You know that?
This
Yeah?
is unnecessarily over-enthusiastic here.
I like that accent,
Bas,
huh?
that's
The
it.
Kannadiga accent.
I love it.
Unnecessarily
I love
over-enthusiastic.
it.
Oh, yeah.
So I had a Kannadiga teacher. He said, "Children, how do you spell cannon?" You were like, "Sir,
C-A-N.
C-A-N. Yet another yen. Yet
What?
another yen after you."
So time for you to brush.
Yeah.
Kubbra, look how the way Ranveer is trying to whistle.
He's just a show-off, yeah, this guy.
Showing off.
Yeah.
This guy, I tell you.
Nonsense.
Ranveer and Kubbra, time for plating.
Like a sci-fi thing, huh?
Holy hey!
He's not done, Kubbra. Please take a look.
I swear I will color your face metallic. Stop it now. एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू.
You have exactly 3, 2, 1, and hands off. Kubbra, I love your presentation because
Thank
it
you.
just made me feel happy and look at life again and your galaxy with just freshness.
Thank you.
Chef Ranveer, I love the way you've created the galaxy. Your play of flavors and the three-dimensional effect with the planets going into space are such a signature style of you. I love your plating.
Thank you, Jay. I just thought I'll go a little abstract. Then say universe, galaxy.
You're just a show-off.
You know, I'm supposed to actually pick a winner, but you both are winners on Gimme Chocolate. Kubbra,
Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you.
Wow. I'm gonna like you anyway. Yeah, like you.